Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you just by pointing your Android smartphone camera, you will know what that item is being called. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do on your Android smartphone, just open the Play Store. In the Play Store, just search for one application named as PicEye. Search this application. On the first list, you will see it is application. So just tap on it. Now click on install to install this application. Firstly, wait for some seconds until the installation is completed. So once the installation is done, click on open. So now it will give you some previews what to do, and you can just follow or you can just skip the instructions and just by sliding towards the left. So click on let's go. Now it will ask you to select some settings. You can select a warm tone or a cool tone. So this is not a permanent settings, as it's asking for the first time. So don't worry, later you can change everything. So choose whatever you like. Now it's asking more permissions, just click on allow. Now it will directly access your Android smartphone camera. So you can see here start, just click on start. Now it will give you some instructions, you can just follow it. Firstly, to skip it also, and you can see take a picture. It's asking to take a picture. Now you can see it's using a camera. Just let us take a picture firstly to complete this tutorial firstly. So there's lots of things. Now you can finally start your PicEye applications. Now you can see definitely it's directly detecting this item is wood, right? And the above you can see it's auto detect, and you can manually detect also. So let me select the manual detect. So let me bring some items. Say, as you all know, this item is a computer keyboard. So these applications can find whether this item is computer keyboard or not. So let me tap on this screen. So it detected that it is a computer keyboard. That means it's absolutely right. So thumbs up for this application. Let us try with some other items. So here I have brought a toy. So this is a toy. So just let me point here. So you can see it detected right again. So thumbs up again, once again, but don't expect it to be 100% accurate, since it may not be able to detect every objects which are available throughout the world. So don't expect it to be 100% useful or anything, or 100% correct in every cases, but it will give you almost 70 to 80% accurate in most of the things. That means finding their names or what it is being called. So let us check again. So I'm pointing my Android smartphone camera towards my table that is made of wood, right? So I'll just check what it's called. So you can see it's showing wood, right? So let us try again. So it's showing wood, right? So definitely once more thumbs up to these applications. So using these cool applications, you can find out any item name or what the item is being called. So if you have any difficulty in knowing what the respective item is called, then you can just use this cool applications, and you can make this application detect and display what it is, what that item is being called for you. So if you never known about these cool applications, then definitely check it out. And if you find any difficulty in using this cool application, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you without problem. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.